Hey, sup tubers, check this out. See what I've done? I have modified my license plate holder, which I did not need. I'm not going to put a license plate on there. I'm not even getting one of them fake vanity license plates for bicycles. And this was easy to do, and it cost me nothing to do. And it's so easy, everybody that's watching this can do this. So let me show you what I did. On the back of the license plate bracket, there's two 10mm bolts and one quick connect connector. On the connector, you just push up on the bottom and pull, and it pulls right off. And lefty loosey, righty tighty on the bolts. Now let me take this off and bring it inside and show you up close. Damn, this thing looks good. So much better. Now all I did was I used a grinder's cutoff wheel and just cut it off on the sides and kind of smoothed it down. It's very soft, cheap plastic. You could use a hacksaw, you could use a bench grinder, you could probably use a hand file and a soldering iron and melt off the majority of it and just file it down by hand. Whatever you got, it's going to cut real easy. Now if you look on the back, you can see where the female 6-pin connector is, and there's two screws that hold the front piece and the back piece together. There's not a lot you can do as far as trimming that down. I found this to be the best, easiest solution for me to trim it up. Now let's go outside and see what this looks like at night. I think this looks really good. I'm really happy with the way it turns out. There's still two holes there for mounting or hanging something. I have no idea what I'll ever do with it. Probably nothing. I'm assuming this is going to be the way it's going to finish out. Alright, man. Give me a thumbs up. Hit subscribe. I got more mods coming. See ya.